Hi guys, I'm Takira. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite wash routine products, which are pretty much the products I use all the time. I would definitely say these would be my holy grail or my ride or die products. But anyway, if you guys are interested in seeing those products, then just keep watching. Okay, I'm going to go in order of use. So the first thing I do in my wash routine is I Prepoo. So to Prepoo, I use either the Aussie Total Miracle Collection 7-in-1 conditioner. It looks like this. Or the Aussie Mega Moist conditioner. It looks like this. So when I Prepoo, I like to do it on soaking wet hair, and I apply a generous amount of either one of these conditioners to my hair, and then I slightly finger detangle. I like to do this before I shampoo, just to prevent any matting or anything, and to get some of the shed hair out that I'm able to grab with my fingers before I go in with my shampoo. So these two products really aid in my Prepoo process. It makes it a lot simpler because they both have a lot of slip. I do find that the 7-in-1 has a bit more slip than the Aussie Moist, but they both have quite a bit of slip. So yeah, I love these, and they do kind of give my hair some moisture too, so it's like an added benefit. So after I Prepoo, I go in and I shampoo my roots primarily. And to shampoo my hair, I like to use either the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore shampoo, and that's what it looks like. Or I like to go in with the Camille Rose Natural Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. And these two are my two favorite shampoos. I use these, I alternate using these each week. So I'll use this one week and then I'll use this one the next week. But I like to use these two shampoos because they get my scalp clean without making my hair feel stripped. So I really love these. Also, I think I prefer, if I had to pick between these two, I prefer the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo, simply because I feel like it also adds a tiny bit of moisture to my hair, even though it's a shampoo and it clarifies. But yeah, either way, I love both of these shampoos and I use them bi-weekly. So the next step for me in my routine is detangling. And to detangle my hair, I like to use my Aussie 3-minute Miracle Moist deep conditioner. So technically it is a deep conditioner, but I like to use it to detangle my hair with. It has loads of slip and it's super moisturizing as well, but I primarily use it to detangle my hair because of the slip. Like, the slip in this thing is literally amazing. I forgot to mention, this does contain silicones, and so does the other Aussie conditioners. All of them contain silicones, so if you don't use silicones in your hair, then I don't recommend getting these products. But if you're not opposed to using silicones, then I do recommend getting these products. They're amazing. They provide a lot of slip, and they're also pretty moisturizing, and they're super inexpensive. I got this one from Target. I think Target is the only one that sells this in a pump bottle, I think. But it was $5, $4.99 to be exact. And these two big old bottles are also $4.99. So super inexpensive. But yeah, so I like to use the Aussie 3-minute Moist Deep Conditioner to detangle my hair with. Bomb. And it makes the detangling process so much easier for me. The next step of my wash routine is deep conditioning. And I have two favorite deep conditioners that I like to use for different reasons. The first one is the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. That's what it looks like. This one is currently empty because I just used the rest of it for this wash day that I had with this routine. But yeah, I use this one pretty much every week. It's super moisturizing, and it has a lot of slip for a deep conditioner. It's not super thick, but it has more of a creamy, like, I don't know how to describe it. It has more of a creamy consistency. It's like thinner. I wish I could show you guys, but I use it all, so. But yeah, I really do love this deep conditioner. It leaves my hair feeling very moisturized, and it glides through my hair easily. when I'm applying it to my hair, and a little bit of this deep conditioner goes a long way. So I like this deep conditioner a lot, and I've been using this for forever. All these products really I've been using for like almost since the very beginning of my hair journey, and I big chopped my hair like in like September of 2015. So it's been like, what, almost 2.5 years? October, November, December, January. So yeah, I've been using these products a long time. The next deep conditioner I'm gonna mention is the Mielle Organics Babasu Oil and Mint Deep Conditioner. And this is what it looks like. This also has a pretty creamy consistency. I have a little bit in here so I can show you guys what this looks like, but yeah, this could waste if I were to knock it over. You see that? It's moving. Yeah, it's pretty creamy as well, and it has a lot of slip as well. I like to use this deep conditioner like once a month because it does contain protein. So I don't like to use this every week, but I use this when my hair is like, when my hair needs some rejuvenation. My curls aren't cooperating like they normally do, or they're not looking as good as they normally do. And this seems to help with the elasticity of my hair. So I really do like to use this deep conditioner when my curls seem like they're struggling a bit. And that normally happens about once a month. So I'll use the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask pretty much every week, except the one time out of the month that I use this one. And this one has like a minty, like, it's like a, it smells like lemon to me, like a lemony minty smell. I don't know, it's weird, but I mean, it's not bad, but this smell, like when I deep condition my hair with this, it lingers in my hair like for days afterward. Like, this isn't a deep conditioner you're gonna rinse out and not smell it anymore. This is gonna linger in your hair for a few days after the fact. So if you don't like the smell, I don't recommend getting this. But if you can get past that, this is a really good product for like I said, like elasticity and helping my curls to bounce back. It does have a tingling feeling when you apply it to your scalp, and I think it's because of the mint in this conditioner. It's the Babasu Oil Mint Deep Conditioner. So I think the mint in this deep conditioner is what causes the tingling feeling. It contains spearmint oil and peppermint leaf oil. So yeah, I really like this deep conditioner. So yeah, that's it guys. Those are all the products that I like to use for my wash day. Like I told you guys on my Instagram, those are the products that I keep consistent. Like I don't really switch up my wash routine products because I feel like they set the foundation for whatever hairstyle I'm gonna be doing. So I like to keep these products consistent and use these same products pretty much every week. Now with my wash and go products or whatever products I'm styling my hair with, you guys know I like to change those up and use different products from week to week. So that's why I just showed you guys these products, because these are the ones that really do not change. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.